To make a great daiquiri, it helps to know what a daiquiri is. The original daiquiri was created in Cuba and named after a village called Daiquiri. Since then, this cocktail has been made into many different concoctions. The original daiquiri was made with golden rum, which is known as the milk of Cuba, fresh lime juice, and simple syrup. To make simple syrup, we heat 2 parts of sugar and 1 part of water until it dissolves. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Simple syrup is an essential ingredient in many cocktails. For the best lime juice, you gotta squeeze your own. To make the original daiquiri, fill a glass tumbler with ice, add golden rum, fresh lime juice, and simple syrup. Top with the metal part of the shaker and shake. This is a classic daiquiri. Light, delicious, and refreshing. Try it, you'll like it. To make this a strawberry daiquiri, we simply add strawberries to the same ingredients. Place this cocktail right into the blender and add fresh or frozen strawberries. Turn on the blender and blend the daiquiri until it's nice and smooth. We don't want any ice chunks floating around in our drink. Doesn't this look delicious? Finish it with a little fresh whipped cream and a strawberry. Now we're cooking. This is an awesome summer strawberry daiquiri. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru. If you like this recipe and want to print a copy, come to foodguru.com where you can experience the world's first video cookbook. My video cookbook makes learning to cook quick, easy, and fun. Most cookbooks use only written instructions. Try to write instructions for how to roll an egg roll sometime and you'll get the idea. My video cookbook combines 3 powerful ways to learn: pictures, written recipes, and videos. I'll walk you step by step through each recipe in only 90 seconds. The video cookbook is different from other cookbooks because it will continue to grow. Each week, we'll add new recipes, tips, and tricks. Your free membership allows you access to this week's 7 featured recipes, which are usually seasonal and current. Select a recipe, print the instructions, and watch the quick 90-second video. These recipes will change weekly, and you'll have access to this free recipe section as often as you like.